So alright, welcome everyone to this advanced German series from A1 to B2 video lecture 4. So today we will again talk about Werden or Wurde, but in different tense. As in video lecture 3 we talked about Wurde in present tense, and today we will talk about simple past tense, that how we can use this Wurde in simple past tense. So as usual, if if for ish we use Wurde, for do we use Wurdest, for air, sie and is we use wurde, for where we use wurden, eher we use wurdet, and for sie we use wurden. So these are the code words, or these are the methods you will arrange your wurde in front of ish, do, er, sie, is, depending on your sentence. So similar to lecture 3, if your sentence is of one clause or simple sentence, wurde will come before the verb. Before the verb if simple sentence or one clause sentence. And as it is used in past tense, this is E, as used is past tense, so you will have to use third form of verb. I will give example and it will be more clear to you. So let's take an example. Wurde ständig beim Mittagessen gestört. Wurde ständig beim Mittagessen gestört. And what does it mean? It means he always got interrupted. He always got interrupted during the lunch. Now, ständig mean always or every time. Mittagessen is lunch, and gestört, here is S before T. G-E-S-T O umlaut RT, gestört. This is the third form, and the first form is storen. S-T-O umlaut storen. This is the first form, storen. Then it comes storte, and the third form is gestört. So when we use wurde in past tense, we use third form. Wurde ständig beim Mittagessen gestört. Gestört comes at the end of the sentence, and wurde comes before the verb. Another example, die Katze wurde von dem Hund gejagt. Die Katze von dem Hund gejagt. What does it mean? It means the cat got chased by the dog. The cat got chased by the dog. Katze mean cat, wurde mean in the past tense, Hund mean cat mean Katze, and Hund mean dog. Now this is here verb gejagt, and it was derived from jagen or jagte, and then third form is gejagt, which means to hunt, to catch, or to go towards something in favor of like loin move towards a sheep. So loin is hunting sheep, so loin is actually jagen sheep, if I'm saying in your English. So this is the third form. Again we used it, and we'll again take another example. Sie wurde von ihrem Freund sitzen gelassen. Sie wurde von ihrem Freund sitzen gelassen. Now what does it mean? It means she got dumped by her boyfriend. So Freund means boyfriend. Wurde in the past form, sie, she, and sitzen gelassen. Here this is the verb. First form is sitzen lassen, and third form is sitzen gelassen, which means to dump or to abandon. So these are the simple sentence or one clause sentences. So as you can see that here wurde comes before the main verb, and we use third form of the main verb. Now we will take some complex sentence or sentence of two clauses, and in those sentences the structure will change different. So waren so viele Leute im im Büro, dass ständig beim Mittagessen gestört wurde. Okay, sorry about that, I don't have here German keyboards, so I have to put code words for these umlaut, so it take time. Waren so viele Leute im Büro, dass ständig beim Mittagessen gestört wurde. In English it means there were so many people in the office that he was always disturbed during his lunch. Mittagessen is lunch, ständig is always similar to this sentence, but it's now complex sentence or consists of two clauses. This is number one clause and number two clause. So here wurde comes after the main verb. Why? Because it's a complex sentence. Now it's not simple sentence, it's a complex sentence. So in complex sentence wurde comes after the main verb, and similarly we used third form of the main verb, which is gestört. Taking another example, die Katze stahl den Knochen, so dass sie von dem Hund gejagt wurde. Die Katze stahl den Knochen, so dass sie von dem Hund gejagt wurde. The cat stahl is stahl is a form of stolen, stahlte, and then gestahl oder stahl. This it means stolen, to steal, or we can also use clown, which is another verb. So the cat stole the bone, Knochen is bone, so dass sie von dem Hund gejagt wurde. The cat stole the bone so that he was chased by the dog. Gejagt again here to chase, and wurde comes after the main verb because it's a complex sentence. And taking a last example, sie flirtierte mit anderen, so dass sie von ihrem Freund sitzen gelassen wurde. So, sie flirtete mit anderen, so dass sie von ihrem Freund sitzen gelassen wurde. She flirts with others. Andere mean other. She flirts with others. That's why she was dumped by her boyfriend. Sitzen gelassen is similarly, as I told you here, to dump, to abandon, and it's a complex sentence. So wurde comes after the main verb. See you in next video.